A living thing is like a city. And in every city, there are lots of different systems that work to help the city run smoothly. So there are roads and rail lines, which are part of a transport system. There's also electricity that runs along the wires and into every building. And under the ground, there are things like gas pipelines and sewage lines as well. To give energy and to remove waste from the city. And so in every city, all these different systems, the parts work together to help the city function and make everything run smoothly. All the parts work together. So this is the kind of thinking we want to take to organisms. There are lots of different systems that all work together to help it run, to help that organism survive and make sure everything goes smoothly. Let's look at a human here. So on the right, we have the human body showing the circulatory system. Circulatory system, which contains the heart and all of our blood vessels, the veins and the arteries. And we call this an organ system. So this is the highest level, you could say, in an organism. But below organ system, we know that it's made up of different organs. So the next level down is an organ, and here's the heart as an example of one organ in the circulatory system. Below organs, they're all made up of different tissues, or different types of tissue. So here is a picture of some muscle tissue, and the muscle, if we look over at the heart, there's heart muscle, as well as other types of tissue that make up that organ. And below tissue, we've learnt that cells is the smallest level down. So here are some muscle cells, and these make up the muscle that makes up the heart and that makes up the circulatory system. So these are the 4 different levels that make up a living thing.